Do you ever get the feeling that you're a hamster?
Well, there you go. That's a lovely rat nest right there.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're a hamster on a hamster wheel? Some days it feels like this. Seem like you just go and go and go, and sometimes you just feel like I don't know, you want to back up and do something else. Today's sort of one of those days. I don't know if it's just the fact that, you know, we don't have a lot of sunlight, so I don't get a lot of sunlight and getting the winter blues, or maybe I'm just wore out, beat down, tired. But I got to keep my eye on the prize, and that is finishing up this house and making it into something that somebody will live in. It's a slow process, but today, well, you know, the other day I didn't get the gables finished. I ran out of OSB, ran out of nails, and of course my body ran out of gas. So I'm gonna go pick up my help. We're gonna head to Home Depot, I think, maybe Lowe's, I don't know. Pick up some OSB, pick up some nails, maybe pick up some hardy for that gable on the other end. I don't know if we'll get to it or not. And then we'll get to work. I'll see you in a few minutes, or you'll see me in a few minutes. I don't actually get to see you. Actually, I can see you through this video. Technology is awesome. You know, my first job really is information technology. So anyway, stay tuned. we got to cut this door out and trim it back. We just use the sawzall. We'll cut this out and then we'll close in the rest of this and get this wrapped up. So maybe we can get a door set in here pretty soon.
Well, there you go. That's a lovely rat nest right there. Big one. Yeah, it looks like that rat nest was a whole lot bigger. This last 6 foot You can see where they've been chewing on that drywall right there. We're going to clean it out, seal it all up, keep them out of here.
It's 5 o'clock and it's dark. I don't like this newfangled time change. We need to just leave it the same and be done with it. Anyway, so I got the siding all finished, got the house wrap put on, gables are closed in. Let's see, tore off, well, the gable on the east end of the house isn't closed in. We did tear off the old board and batten siding that was on it. It was just plywood with some small pieces of trim to make it look like board and batten, but we got that all tore off, cleaned out the rat nests, and that's pretty much what we got done. Started getting dark, and so we just went ahead and cleaned up. But I did go ahead and pick up the Hardy siding. It's the 4x8 sheets. It looks sort of like T111, but with an 8-inch pattern. and we're going to put that up on the gable end. Lap siding just wouldn't just, I didn't think it would work right in that location, so we're going to go ahead and put the Hardy on it. But things are progressing. I didn't get my metal ordered yet. I'll probably get it ordered this week or next. I've got lots of stuff to do, and we'll move along and get this thing dried in. But it's coming along, and I'm very satisfied with the progress now. For a while, like I said this morning, it was one of those deals where you just feel like you're spinning your wheels. But it's coming along, and it'll be done before we know it. And hopefully somebody will get in there and pay me some rent. I did the calculations on the square footage today, though. The square footage is 1,132 square feet. It's going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And it's going to be a nice house for someone. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with a lot more talking. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And as always, we'll see you next time.